How to install the trailer adapter on your Cowboy 4 or Cowboy 4 ST. Use the 8mm Allen key to loosen the left rear wheel nut. Then remove it. Mount your trailer adapter to the rear wheel. First screw it in by hand as far as possible. Then use the 17mm wrench provided to tighten it firmly. The trailer you are going to attach should come with a hitch from the manufacturer. It will look something like this. You will need to attach it to the trailer adapter. Add the washer, then add the nut. Screw it in by hand, then use the 17mm wrench to tighten with reasonable force. Finally, add the safety pin to the adapter. Your adapter is now installed, and you can follow the instructions provided by the trailer manufacturer to finish mounting the trailer to your bike.